In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello. How to sync with Google Sheets. If you want to automatically send information from Trello into a spreadsheet, Zapier makes the process simple. This is a great way to keep track of cards, build reports, or create a backup of important task data without having to copy and paste everything manually. In this walkthrough, we'll connect Trello to Google Sheets so that new activity in Trello can automatically create a new row in your spreadsheet. To get started, head over to your Zapier dashboard and create a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects one app to another. For the trigger app, choose Trello. This trigger is the event that starts the automation. Depending on what you want to track, you can choose something like a new card being created or a card being moved to a specific list. Pick the option that best matches the workflow you use in Trello, because that will determine exactly when information is sent to Google Sheets. Next, authenticate your accounts. You'll need to connect both Trello and Google to Zapier, so the automation can access the right boards and spreadsheets. During this part, make sure you sign into the correct accounts and approve the requested permissions. This is an important step because if the wrong account is connected, your data may go to the wrong place. Once your accounts are connected, set up the action step. For the action app, choose Google Sheets. Then select the action called Create Spreadsheet Row. This tells Zapier that every time the Trello trigger happens, it should add a new row to your chosen spreadsheet. At this stage, you'll also select the spreadsheet and worksheet where the information should appear. So make sure your sheet is already prepared with clear column headers. After that, map the fields from Trello into the columns in Google Sheets. This is where you decide what information goes where. For example, you can send the card name into one column, the card description into another, and labels into another. Take your time here, because accurate field mapping keeps your spreadsheet organized and easy to use later. Finally, test the integration and turn on the Zap. Running a test helps confirm that the data is being sent correctly and that the row appears exactly as expected in Google Sheets. If everything looks good, activate the workflow from that point on. Zapier will automatically keep your spreadsheet updated based on your Trello activity. And that's how to sync Trello with Google Sheets using Zapier.